Good afternoon to everyone. So as Clifford was saying, I'm working presently on ECAP project, and I will be telling you what FP6 or FP7 projects are all about. So this project forms part of FP6 project. It's an Airbus project. It's in collaboration with the EU. It's a 30 million project. And there are presently 13 partners. There are 30 partners from 13 European countries, all working on this project. So, what's the idea behind the project? As you all know, the traveling industry, let's forget the credit crunch that we're experiencing presently. There's a lot of traffic in our airports. This leads to inefficient service. Instead of having a better service with all these new passengers, it's our aeroplanes, our airports. It's so crowded that the quality of service has decreased. So Airbus thought that they need to do something about it, and they decided to do a research and technology project where they try to do everything paperless, a paperless system for all the efficiency of both the air crew, the passengers, and the airport staff themselves. And that's what all the ECAP project runs about. All the projects was divided in 4 sections, where they are developing there was a picture, suppose. So they divided all the project in 4 scenarios, as you can see from all the 4 rings. And the University of Malta was involved in passenger services. So we're involved in the in-flight entertainment system. There are companies that they're doing the software development. They're doing for integration with for 3G systems on board, the VBH system, mobile television that is on board. There are companies that they're doing internet services, a new infotainment system. And the University of Malta was responsible for doing network simulation, RF propagation simulation. One of the partners is Dassault Aviation, which we have good collaboration, which they manufacture and build business jet, and they're interested in having wireless services on board their aircraft. So our work was that we get a model of their aeroplane, a computer model of their aeroplane. Then we're doing using MATLAB a propagation simulation software, and we overlaid our simulation software inside their model of the business jet. And one of the things that you do from this type of research, you do publications. So what are the benefits of doing postgraduate research is that you can meet, working on projects, you can meet a lot of people from different companies, because from time to time, like more or less every 3 months, there is a meeting where all the partners will meet, working on the project. For example, we meet with the people from the passenger services, and we share our ideas and share our improvements as we do. So it's a good thing to have more networking, international networking. Apart from that, your work being innovative, you can do publications in IEEE journals or conferences, and you attend conferences. So I just came from 2 conferences, which I published work from ECAB. It's another good opportunity. The university pays for all the traveling, for everything. It's free for you as employee of the university and as a postgraduate student, and you gain all this knowledge, which you might use it for getting your MPhil or a PhD. I won't take any more time, because the presentation, which was a bit colorful, I think it's not working, and I need to use my PC because I've got some graphics, so let's keep it short. If you've got any questions about FP6 projects and our job during the day, I think I'm free to answer your questions.